To create your own character in the Polyverse app, start by opening the app and clicking the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. A window will appear, allowing you to select the character type you want to use. You can choose from various options, such as a regular multi-role or a character based on a specific source, like My Hero Academia, Marvel Universe, or Demon Slayer. If you don't see your desired source, you can click the More option to view all available options. Once you've selected a source, you can choose a specific character to base your new character on. Next, you'll need to create your character's avatar. You can either use the AI Generate option or upload your own custom avatar from your device. After creating your avatar, enter your character's name, select their gender, and add a brief introduction and greeting. You can also set up your character's voice by selecting from various options or choosing a voice based on a specific character from your selected source. To further customize your character, select a role in the story, such as a mentor, mischief maker, trickster, or dark villain. You can also assign superpowers, like superhuman strength or elemental control, and define their relationship with other characters. Once you've filled out all the details, click the Create and Chat option to bring your character to life. You can then interact with your character and have fun.